Our top story at Disar, another horrific gang rape, this time in Mumbai, in an incident eerily similar to the December gang rape. A 22-year-old photojournalist was gang raped by 5 men in Mumbai's Parel area while her male companion was tied up. The girl, who worked for a magazine, had gone to an abandoned mill for an assignment along with her colleague, and they were returning around 6 p.m. when they were attacked by the men. The girl is being treated at Jaslok Hospital in Mumbai. Police said preliminary reports suggest that she has sustained multiple internal injuries. A case of gang rape has been registered. The police have also rounded up 20 people so far, but no arrests have been made yet. The Maharashtra Home Minister R.R. Patil visited the girl at the Jaslok Hospital. He said the Mumbai Police Commissioner Satpal Singh had been told to ensure that all the culprits are arrested soon. And Rashmi Rajput spoke to the Mumbai Police Commissioner Satpal Singh just a short while ago, who has assured that the case will be cracked very soon.
The shocking gang rape of a 22-year-old photojournalist has shocked not only Mumbai but the entire country. I'm joined by the Mumbai Police Commissioner, Mr. Satpal Singh. So thank you so much for speaking with NDTV. So first of all, any breakthrough, any arrest in the case?
So far we have rounded up around 13 suspects and we are verifying the details. And the description, this sketch have been prepared in the night itself. I also visited in the night. Our Honorable Home Minister also visited. And the girl is stable. And we are very sure 9 teams have been formed. Crime Branch also is parallelly investigating the case. And we are sure, I think we will detect the case very soon.
And so the sketches are released, they are based on the statement of the girl or the victim or of the male companion?
See, it is both. This victim girl as well as her this male friend. We have taken the discussion for both of them. Tallies, and we have prepared the sketches.
So there are some reports about the accused entering the Shakti Mill compound through the railway door, through the railway compound. Is that something that did they flee from by taking any train? Is that something that you?
No, it's not that. That are not the facts. In fact, when they reached there, the victim girl and her friend, actually when they reached there, because it is a very, very isolated place, deserted place, dilapidated building, there's a lot of trees are there. So at that time, I think they were accosted by 2 persons. So they were there. They did not find, because I myself interrogated this male friend, and he was telling that he is not sure from where they came, but they found them that within minutes they were there.
Okay, and then there were 3 more men who joined in.
Ah, yes, later on they joined.
And so what about the injuries that the girl has sustained? The nature of the injuries?
See, I would not be able to tell that because I have not seen, but I have spoken to the doctor and the condition of the girl is stable. And but exact this injury, there is no serious injury to her.
So other than being sexually abused, was she also physically assaulted by them?
No, girl was not assaulted physically.
It was only the male companion who was tied with a...
He was tied with their belt. They tied his hands, that was all.
And so do you suspect them to be drug peddlers in the area?
It's quite possible, because one of the accused was smoking. And second person, by the description he gave, it appears he might be drug addict.
And so how confident are you of cracking this case?
We are 100% confident and we will crack it.
Okay.
There is no question of not cracking it.
Thank you so much, sir. The Mumbai Commissioner, they are giving details about the case, saying that they will soon crack this case, that there is a special team that has been formed and that the sketches have been released based on the statement of both the victim and her male friend. In Mumbai with camera person Dinesh Mahimani, Rashmi Rajput for NDTV.